Yeah, here express the following fractions and mixed numbers a decimal number. Okay, in this case, what do you need to do is you have to change your fraction. Okay, in fraction, our decimal number should be converted as a 10 power. Okay, converted as a 10 power. For that, for your first one, we have 2 upon 5 now. So when you multiply 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, 5 is our denominator. When you multiply 5 by using number 2, that will give you 10. That is a 10 power now. Likewise, the numerator should be also multiplied by number 2 will give you 4. 4 divided by 10. So in this case, you should write your 4 here. This is divided by 10 to the power of 1. So from its last, you should locate your decimal 1 digit before. So that will give you 0.4. 0.4 should be an answer for your first question. It should be 0.4. For the next one, it should be 0.8. 8 divided by 10, 0.8. For the next one, look at that. 4 upon 50. Here, this 50 should be converted as a 10 power. Okay, nearby 10 power, which is 100. So, for that, we have to multiply the denominator by number 2. That will give you 8 upon 100. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 50 multiplied by 2, 100. So, 8, you should place your 8, 1, 2 digits. So, it should be 0.08 should be your answer for this case. 0.08. Okay. For the next one, 27 divided by 20. Okay, 27 divided by 20. Let's see that one here. For that, first of all, you should convert the improper fraction as a mixed fraction. That's your first task. Okay, I explained you in our explanation classes. You should convert your mixed fraction as a improper. Yeah, next one. When you are converting this improper fraction as a mixed fraction, that will become, okay, you know how to convert this one, no? 27 divided by 20. So, 120s are 20, remainder 7, remainder 7. So, it should be 1 into 7 upon 20. 1 into 7 upon 20 should be your mixed fraction. For the relevant question, you should convert that one as a mixed fraction. Then after, 1 is a full part. This is our full part. This is our fractional part. You should convert your fractional part as a decimal one. Okay, as a decimal value. So in that case, 7 upon 20. Here, you should convert your denominator as a 10 power. For that, I'll multiply this one by number 5. So that will give you 35 upon 100. 35 divided by 100. So 35 divided by 100 will give you 35 divided by 10 to the power of 2. No. From its last, we have to locate our decimal 2 digits before. 1, 2. It should be located here. 0.35. So in this case, it should be 1 plus 0.35. Don't change this full part. That is a full number. You can keep it as it is. You should convert your fraction only as a decimal one. That will become 0.35. When you add 1 plus 0.35, that will become 1.35 in this case. Okay, 1.35. Okay. For the next one, we can represent this one as 3 plus half. 3 plus half. So, this one, when we multiply this fraction by 5, our ultimate goal is to obtain the denominator as a 10 power. Already the pre-existing denominator is 2. No? When we multiply 2 into 5, that will give you 10. That's why we are multiplying this fraction by 5. So 10 upon 5. So it will become 3 plus, okay, when you convert 5 upon 10 as a fraction to decimal, that will become 0.5. Finally, our answer should be 3.5 in this case. 3.5 in this case. Similarly, for your next one, okay, that's quite different than the other ones. Okay, let's see for that question. This is 1.35. This is 3.5. Okay. For the next question, let's see. 2. Okay, 2 plus 1 upon 8. Okay, when we are thinking about our nearby multiple, okay, nearby multiple, 10 multiple, that is 10. So we can't convert 8 as a 10. By multiplying using any integral value, we can convert 8 to 10. So you should think in alternate way. What is our next 10 power? That is 100. Okay, 100. You can convert 8 to 100 also. You can convert 8 to become 100. There is no any integral multiple. So you should multiply this by 125. This is the possible way. Okay, this is the only possible way. When you multiply this, that will give you 2 plus 125 upon 1000. 125 upon 1000. So when you convert 125 divided by 1000, that will give you 2 plus 0 0.125. 0.125. So that will give you 2.125 as your answer in this case. Okay, next question. We can write this mixed fraction as a fractional part and full part. Full part is 3 and fractional part is 12 upon 125. 12 upon 125. So nearby, we need to convert our denominator to our nearest 10 power. That should be 1000, no, 125 to 1000. So this one should be multiplied by number 8. That will give you 96 upon 1000. 96 upon 1000. 3 plus 96 upon 1000. So 96 divided by 10 to the power of 3. So 1, 2, 3. Location of your decimal should be here. 0.096. We just nullified all the blank spaces by using number zeros. So finally that will give you 3 point. Okay, when you are adding this, you know how to add this. You should write like this: 3.000 added with 0.096. 096. When you add like this, your decimal should be aligned. Okay, decimals should be aligned. When we add 0 plus 6, that is 6. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. It should be 3 point. Okay, for this question, your answer should be 3.096. 3.096. Mostly students will struggle while converting these things, but it's not that hard. It's very easy. If your procedure is correct, if you are following this correct procedure, you will receive your answer properly. Last question, 351 divided by 350. So for that, let's convert this improper fraction as a mixed one. So 350 divided by 350. So 1 350s are 350s, remainder 1. So your fraction, mixed fraction should be 1 into 1 upon 350. 1 into 1 upon 350. In this case, how can we do this? There are two methods. Okay, there are two methods to deal with this question. I'll explain both of them. First, easiest one is we can convert 350, okay, 350 to a 10 power. That's our exact case. This is this is a hypothetical question. No, for your practice only, I gave this question to you. So in here, you should divide 1 by 350. 1 should be divided by 350. Okay, here in 1, there is no any 350. So you should place your 0 here. Okay, place your 0 here and place a decimal. When you place any decimal here, now you can lend number of zeros from outside. Okay, number of zeros from outside. First, let's lend 1 0. In 10, there is no any 350s. Here also you should place a 0 and lend another 0 from outside. In 100 also there is no any 350s. Again also you should place a 0 and lend one more 0. In 1000 we have 2 350s. 2 350s are 700. The remaining is 300 here. Remaining is 300 here. No need to divide furthermore. If you want, you can divide. Here we already placed a decimal. No. What decimal means? Decimal indicates you are a lender. Okay. You are a lender. So we can lend one more 0. In 3000 we have totally 350s. 8 350s are 2800. Remaining 200 furthermore. No need to divide furthermore. You can keep your decimal as it is. Okay, as it is. We have a full part also, no? Our full number is 1. With that 1, you should add this decimal, that is 0.0028. When you add that, that will result you 1.0028 as your final answer. Don't confuse with this, okay? It's very easy. What we did, first of all, we converted our improper fraction as a mixed one. Then the fractional part, we divided that one. Okay, we divided that one by our long division method to obtain the relevant decimal value. Then after, with the full part, with 1, we added that particular decimal to obtain our final answer in this.